Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Pulse Plus, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll to find the apps. Then let's tap on see all 42 apps, of course 42 in my case, you can have different number, and then tap on the three dots again in the right upper corner. Tap on reset up preferences, and here our device will inform us what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.